Here's a quick video on how to disassemble this dryer and how to remove all of the panels. Yours may look a little different, but the idea is the same. First, unplug your dryer and remove your lint screen. Take a screwdriver or a putty knife and slide it in to release these tabs. These tabs are spring loaded, so you just need to slide it in up top. Just remove these two screws and it'll plop right out. And this is why I'm coming out with a video why you should periodically clean your dryer. Now pull up on this and it slides right out. Now we have to remove the whole top lid by removing these screws. And if you're a doer of stuff and you don't have this magnetic flip socket set, come on, what are you even doing? Life is in session. Now you need to lift up and slide it out. You'll need to brace this by leaning it against the wall or on something, or even putting a little bungee cord in between. You can't take this completely off because of the wiring harness right here. I'm leaning it on something and bracing it with a little screw. But this way will save you so much disconnecting and disassembly. We need to remove this lid switch, and these clips with these little safety tabs are humans' worst invention ever. I can't stand these things, but a screwdriver will save your day. Now we need to take off the front panel, two screws up top, take off these two springs right here by just popping them out, take off this green ground wire, and remove the two screws on the corners. Now carefully remove the front panel. If you really want, you can remove this little yellow wire, but it had a clip and you know how I feel about those, so I just left it and laid it down. Now this gives you access to removing your tub or cleaning the inside, whatever you need to do. This video isn't about that, but I do have all of those details in my video called How to Replace Dryer Belt. The only thing to note here is as you put this front lid on, come from the bottom so that it can catch these wheels right here on the tub. Now put your two screws in and don't forget about your green ground wire. Now put your little hooks back on and you may need to fish it up through the hinge of the lid. Ah, nice and smooth. To verify that the tub is running smooth, go ahead and check right here and right here. It should feel aligned and running smooth, and make sure you check on the bottom to see if they're engaging both the wheels. It should look just like this with both spinning. Now put your little dust plate back on with your two screws, plug your lid switch back in, bring down your lid and make sure it's forward first and then slide it back. Put your little kick plate back on and there's two holes that line up with the two little brackets. And just give it a good shove. Fasten your lid to the back and you are done after you turn on electricity. And of course, checking out my next video.